Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we're diving into how to reset your JVC TV. Whether you're troubleshooting or just need a fresh start, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. Section 1. Why reset your JVC TV? There are two main reasons why you might want to reset your JVC TV. You're experiencing technical issues like lagging, freezing, or glitches. You want to restore factory settings to erase personal data or start fresh. Remember, a reset will remove all custom settings, so make sure to note down any preferences or account details before proceeding. Section: How to perform a soft reset. First up, the soft reset. This is a quick and easy way to refresh your TV without losing any data. Here's how. Grab your remote and press the power button to turn off the TV. Unplug the TV from the power source. Wait for about seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on using the remote. This simple step can solve many minor issues without the need for a full reset. Section 3. How to perform a factory reset. Now, if the soft reset doesn't resolve your issue, or you want to restore the TV to its original settings, you'll need to do a factory reset. Follow these steps carefully. Press the menu button on your remote to open the settings menu. Navigate to the Setup or System section. Look for the option labeled Reset, Reset to Factory Settings, or something similar. Confirm your choice when prompted. You may need to enter a PIN or password. The default PIN is usually 00000 or 1234. Once confirmed, the TV will restart and return to its original factory settings. That's it. Once the reset is complete, you'll need to reconfigure your preferences and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Section 4. Reset without a remote. Lost your remote? Don't worry. You can reset the TV using the physical buttons on the unit itself. Locate the power and volume down buttons on the TV. Press and hold them simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. The TV should restart and reset itself automatically. This method works for most JVC TV models, but check your user manual for model-specific details. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Resetting your JVC TV is easier than you think. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SMART4HOME for more tech tips and tricks. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.